Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about Samsung S23 Ultra. So before starting the video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. Every year we hear the news of unboxing and leaks of mobile phone, but in Samsung case it has become very different. Many people are claiming that they have bought the Samsung S23 Ultra and now they are using it. Till now, may you have been seen many videos of unboxing of S23 Ultra on the YouTube, but officially Samsung did not launch the S23 Ultra. The videos you have been seen on the YouTube of unboxing of S23 Ultra are totally fake. Yes, the videos of unboxing of S23 Ultra are totally fake. Many people are doing camera comparison of Samsung S23 Ultra, but these comparisons are also totally fake. You can see the photos of camera comparison of S23 Ultra, but these photos are totally fake. No one have bought the Samsung S23 Ultra till now. Look at these pictures. If you are seeing the pictures of the lemon, you can see this is the totally edited image. The colors of lemon are totally edited, which is not real picture. I hope you are enjoying the video. If you still don't subscribe my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. What you think about the unboxing leaks videos of Samsung S23 Ultra? Please leave your relevant comment. Samsung S23 Ultra will release in February. No one know the price of Samsung S23 Ultra till now. If no one know the price of Samsung S23 Ultra, how they can buy it? I hope you really enjoy the video. Please leave your relevant comment and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.